Oh, those are good. These are classic.
Well, they're filmed. That's why I thought I'd grab them.
Think independent. There you go.
Like, my film section.
Independent.
Books. All film related stuff too.
There you go, Hollywood.
All that swoosh they gave everybody.
Oh yeah. Stuff we all get.
Swag.
Maxwell House, thank you, Tommy Burger. Good buds.
People in the Midwest, we don't get that stuff, you know. You don't get like, you know, when you walk in, you're a star. You get hair cream. You get, you know,
bag full of watches.
Yeah, watches.
Good buds.
I said on 13 books yesterday.
Oh, nice.
Whoa.
People are reading, they're consuming, they're at home watching, streaming. If anything, more time to enjoy now. More time to read comics, watch movies.
One guy said, like, I found your site. I couldn't believe this. Like, so exciting. Like,
wow. Oh, hummingbirds.
What took you so long?
Whoa. Yeah, where you been? Some hummingbird right there. Where'd it go?
You know, the blues.
Yeah. Gotta love it. Wagman. K-Jazz, 88.1. Saturday, Sunday.